Shanghai Greatway's welding show. This is your host, Shing, and today we have invited our welding engineer, Kai, to have a welding test for us. Yes, please, Miss Kai.
Hi, everybody. 今天呢，我们来给大家推荐一款机器，这个双脉冲数字气保焊机。
Yeah, today we'll introduce a machine to our audience. Is this one? It is a double pulse MIG machine with LCD display.
这台焊机可以焊接铝及铝合金、不锈钢、碳钢等一些焊材。
Yes, this machine can be used for welding different workpiece materials with aluminum or others, stainless steel, carbon steel, other materials.
它可以焊0.8、1.0、1.2三种焊接直径。
We can use three different diameters of the wire in 0.8, 1.0, 1.2 millimeters.
那不难看出，这是一台非常专业的气保焊机。
Yes, obviously, it's a quite professional welding machines for industrial use.
那么呢，我们下面来焊接5毫米的铝材，来看一下它出色的表现。
Now let's welding the 5 millimeters thickness of the aluminum workpiece to test its welding performance.
这个试板我已经做好，大约有5毫米的那个铝板。
Yes, the workpiece is ready. It's almost 5 millimeters thickness.
然后请看这里，然后现在是那个脉冲模式，单脉冲模式，然后我电流已经调节好。
Yes, now it's the normal single pulse mode, and the current has been adjusted to suitable modes.
当然提到这里，我就要提一下这个焊枪。这个焊枪里面的那个导丝簧，就是那个送丝管，不是我们常规的送丝管。如果说焊铝的话，要换成石墨的导丝管。
Now let's talk about the forged cable. It's not a quite common cable. It's a special one. It's almost for the aluminum part, and it is made of carbon. It's a professional carbon wire feed cable in it.
那么现在我们焊的是1.2的铝焊丝。
Now we are using the diameter in 1.2 millimeters aluminum wire.
那么我们现在要进行5毫米的铝板焊接。
Now let's begin the testing on the 5 millimeters thickness of the workpiece.
那我们开始。
Now let's begin. Yes, we can see the arc is quite stable and the sound of the current is also good for us.
那么给大家看一下，这个是焊接效果。
Now let's focus on the performance of this pretty welding line.
它的这个铝表面的氧化膜清理得非常好。
The appearance of the aluminum is quite well.
然后焊道非常干净整齐。
And the welding line is neat and pretty.
单脉冲我认为是一个非常不错的功能。
Yes, the pulse is a quite perfect function for this machine.
那么好，我们再进行一个双脉冲的焊接，看双脉冲的效果怎么样？
Now let's move on to the double pulse MIG functions. Let's see how it works on this machine.
OK， 然后镜头给到这里，镜头给到这里，对，然后我们现在把这个功能调到 double pulse。
Now the function has adjusted to double pulse.
对，然后我们还是照样用5毫米的板材来焊一个双脉冲的功能，看一下它的那个性能怎么样。
Also, the workpiece is in 5 millimeters thickness, and let's see how it performed.
好了吧？
Okay,
那么开始焊了。
now it's ready.
那么呢，这个双脉冲也非常稳定。我现在的这个脉冲频率是1.7赫兹。
Yes, this double pulse, the arc is quite stable as well, and the frequency is 1.7 hertz.
1.7赫兹。然后我在焊接的时候，手是不动的，是均匀的往前移的。那么它的这个波形，这个鱼鳞纹就一下都出来了，非常有规则并且整齐。
Yes, when we do the welding, we just move our hands towards, and you can see this ripple bead pattern is quite neat and beautiful, right?
然后呢，这个焊道也是非常干净，然后并且非常整齐。这个焊缝是我想要的。
Yes, and also the welding line is neat and clean. It is what we want.
那么我们这样焊下来，我感觉这是一个专业的焊机。
Yes, we think the machine qualifies. For one word, it's professional. It's quite professional welding machine.
我相信大家都会喜欢这么有一台专业的焊机的。
Yes, I think everybody will likes it when you need a professional machines to have the job.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your watching. Yes, today's our live show is over. And if you want to see any more machines to do the live test, just tell us and we can fulfill your requirement. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.